Hey beauties, sparkling heart, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving deep into one of the most requested and most searched routines of all time. The Korean skincare routine, sparkles. Ever wondered how Korean idols keep their skin so flawless and glowing like glass? You're about to find out, and yes, I'll walk you through each of the 12 powerful steps, recommend my favorite 2025 K-beauty products, and share insider tips to help you glow like never before. Korean skincare is not just a routine, it's a skincare philosophy. It focuses on hydration, prevention, and gentle care using natural and advanced ingredients. It's all about layering light, effective products instead of using harsh treatments. The result? Glass skin, hydrated, radiant, and clear from within. Let's start the full 12-step routine. Use an oil cleanser to melt away sunscreen, dirt, and makeup. Try Vanilla County Clean It Zero or Heimish All Clean Balm. Massage it in and rinse with lukewarm water. This second cleanse clears leftover residue and sweat. Perfect gentle cleansers. CosRx Low pH Good Morning Cleanser. Your skin should feel clean, not tight. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores. Use chemical exfoliants like AHA, BHA for smoother skin. Neogen Bio Peel. K-beauty toners aren't drying. They prep and hydrate your skin. I love I'm from Rice Toner. It's brightening and calming. Essence is lightweight but powerful. It boosts hydration and cell renewal. Try CosRx Snail 96 Mucin Essence. Iconic and glow boosting. Now target your concerns. Dark spots, acne, dullness, etc. I recommend Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum for dullness. Korean sheet masks are the ultimate skin treat. Pop one on for 10 to 15 minutes while you chill. Favorites: Mediheal Tea Tree, Abib Heartleaf, or Dr. Jart Plus Cicapair. The skin around your eyes is delicate. Gently pat in eye cream. I love Innisfree Green Tea or Claire's Fundamental Eye Butter. Moisturizer Lock in everything with a soothing moisturizer. Dry skin? Use a rich cream like Etude Soon Young 2X Barrier Cream. Or spot treatment. If needed, use this only where needed. Try some by Me Miracle Spot Clear for breakouts. Sleeping mask, night cream, night only. This is the final overnight boost. Wake up to plump, nourished skin. Go for Laneige Water Sleeping Mask or CosRx Rice Overnight Spa Mask. Sunscreen, morning only. This is the most important step. No glow is complete without SPF. Try Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun or Round Lab Birch Juice SPF 50+. They're lightweight and perfect under makeup. Can I do just 5 steps? Yes, start with Cleanse Tone Serum Moisturize Sunscreen. Is this routine good for acne? Yes, just avoid heavy ingredients and exfoliate gently. Is it suitable for teens? Absolutely. Pick gentle, non-irritating products. And that's your complete Korean skincare routine in 2025. Whether you do all 12 steps or just 5, the key is consistency. Your skin deserves love and care. Comment below. What's your skin type and which product are you excited to try? Like if you learned something new. Subscribe for more glow-up tips every week.